Do you want to do something different for your Christmas lights this year? Watch this video and I'll show you what I did to my house. Hey Remodelaholics, welcome back. I'm Justin and today I'm going to show you how I put up a Christmas star on my house. It's not just a little Christmas star, it's actually 16 feet tall. I'm going to show you how I do it right now. Alright, so for the main central support that's going to run from the ground up to the top of the star, it's going to be this 1/2 inch conduit. You're going to need a hammer, screwdriver, Phillips head, a couple stakes, and a whole bunch of zip ties. And I've got my reciprocating saw so I can cut the conduit to length. I'm going to cut them and make a 10-foot length and a 6-foot length and tighten them together with this coupling. And now we have 16 feet of conduit. So I have this second one I'm going to put on the top. This will give me something for the lights to kind of strap down to. So I drew this up in SketchUp real quick. I came up with the size of the star to be about 16 feet tall. So the top of the gutter is the top of the star from arm to arm, and that's 9 feet off the ground. So now that I have the 16-foot pole made, this is the center of the star, and I'm gonna lean it on the roof. So from that point down to the ground, it's about 3 feet pushed out from the house, just so it's leaning and supporting itself. These are the lights that I'm going to use. I'm going to strand 2 of them together, and it's going to make it just a little bit brighter than just having one strand. But I'm going to use a total of about 170 feet of these little lights. So I'm going to measure out 5 foot 3 inches and put 2 stakes, one on each side of the center line of the pole. So you want these stakes to be tight enough in the ground because we're going to be tightening the strings of light from here, from this point up to the gutter. So from the center bar to about 8.5 feet, that's going to be the end point of the star. So what I'm going to do is up here at the gutter, I'm going to use these right here. There's one over here as well. And I'm going to string some zip ties together to get it to the right place. Okay, so this is what I did with the zip ties. I just created this little chain in between the supports of my gutter. And that way, right here, I'll connect the corner of the lights. I'm gonna do this same thing on the other side of the star. All right, I've got the power plugged in on this awesome timer. And I'm gonna do 2 strands of lights, so I have them anchored in through here, and I'm gonna run from this point all the way up to the top of that ladder for the first side of the star. I think this star is just gonna be really simple and fun, and people like it, so I like putting it up. It's pretty easy. In the comments below, tell me what you're gonna do for your house this Christmas. So I connected the next section of Christmas lights together, just zip tied them. And then I made sure that the lights were evenly spaced so it looks like one continuous light run. Okay, so at the top, this is what this little piece is for, just to help me have some screws and things to wrap around And zip tie the lights down nice and tight. Just hammer that stake in a little deeper. So I'm going to take the zip ties in a couple little spots and just tie it off to keep the geometry of the lights nice and neat. So the pole is just leaning up against the house and it's tied down to the lights that are tied to the house. Okay, about an hour and a half later, I got all the lights up. It looks awesome. I can't wait till it gets dark. All right, so it's dark enough. Now let me show you how it turned out. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Merry Christmas, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.